This Minority Health Month, a community center in Toledo South End is working to make healthcare more accessible for everyone. The Sofia Quintero Art and Cultural Center hosted a health fair today, connecting families with bilingual health and community resources. Annalise Cornejo Garcia was there today. Annalise, what did organizers say was the event's mission?
Yeah, Amanda, organizers say the healthcare system can be difficult to navigate in itself, and language barriers only add to the challenge. So they teamed up with local organizations to break down barriers and put potentially life-saving support within reach for both Spanish and English speakers.
A lot of people came out today. Yeah. This is my neighborhood. I grew up here. My parents still live right down the street.
Brandy Blanco Lavallee is one of multiple generations in her family to grow up in Toledo's South End.
I mean, it goes back to even my great-grandparents. The population in our neighborhood, they're mostly Hispanic, they're Spanish speakers, they're elderly. The want to, I'm sure, is there because this place is packed today. So the want to is there. That's not even a question.
And at health fairs in her hometown, Brandy's volunteering to help turn a want into a have.
But it's just knowing where to go and it's being able to afford it.
Hundreds of community members were met with dozens of organizations hosting booths with resources in Spanish and English. Interpreters were available to help facilitate interactions as well. In the back, people could get diabetes screenings and STI testing, as well as connect with virtual healthcare providers.
One of the biggest things that I've learned in the work that I do is accessibility is a huge barrier to resources, especially in this neighborhood.
A 2023 study found Black and Hispanic communities suffer from type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and sexually transmitted diseases at higher rates than other races. Covarrubias says events like these are meant to halt these types of patterns in their tracks. But the more important mission is to make sure people feel understood.
I had a family that stopped by the table today that was non-English speaking, that had a translator with them and was explaining that their two babies were lead poisoned and they were trying to get connected to resources. And I'm so happy that she had a translator with her.
And the work to combat situations like these needs to stay at the center of the neighborhood.
As long as we continue to collaborate in settings such as today and stay in the heart of our communities, we can do better together.
Well, this might be the only the second year for the health fair, but organizers say the number of booths has grown since last year. It's a sign they believe every Toledo neighborhood could benefit from events like these. In the studio, Annalise Cornejo Garcia, WTOL 11.